Yes guys, dito mamaya please stay. We're going to car park. Kasi gagamitin natin yung car papuntang city. This one. Lokal. Ay, kaya. Nag-car kami guys. Kasi kanina, ang haba ng nilakad namin. So, we have a part 2. We are going again.
In een gebied met toegangsbeperkingen voor voertuigen.
We can go straight.
You try? We go around?
We can go straight.
They are going here. No?
We go also.
Here, yeah, we follow them. I don't know what is this. Ilagay ko na lang sa description. Ayan. Hindi nagsisearch kung saan pupunta. So, where is this? Kyle?
No, in the middle of nowhere.
Dito kami pinadpad, guys.
In the middle of nowhere.
Kahit saan na lang. Yeah.
Oh, no. Baka may tubig doon.
Yeah. Sa may mga kanal nila, guys. Yan. So, there's Moy. Yeah. So, the street. Yan guys, may nagbo-boat. We're going over there. Magbo-boat kami guys. 10 euro per person, honey? 10 euro per person, Carl? Okay, 10 euro per person. Nasakay tayo ng boat. Unexpected lahat ng mga gala namin. Go kami ng go. Sasakyan natin ay gagawin natin guys. And we're going there. Sasakay tayo doon.
Still, it's 400 kilometers from Ghent, always straight ahead.
Yeah, it's nice, yeah.
Et les francophones, nous naviguons sur la Lys, maintenant notre rivière d'or, qui prend sa source du port, le port au cœur. Avec un décor incontournable. À droite, le quai des riches. À gauche, le quai des hommes la plus fière. La plus ancienne, c'est la façade grise. À l'époque, it sounds expensive, and it is. But it's a very nice whiskey bar on the second. Et au Moyen-Âge, avec ses 95 mètres, la tour était la bonne hauteur pour déléguer les personnes. Tout en haut, notre mascotte en flamme qui ressemble d'un poulet.
Mas maganda pa rin sa ano.
Et parfois, ça cache du feu. C'est un dragon. Et le 10 millions d'euros, le bâtiment à nos mains droites est à vous, s'il vous plaît. C'est à vendre l'ancien monastère des Dominicains. Et donc, c'est ici que Archangel Saint Michael. Grabbing with a sword. Now, the other side, you can see a golden vessel.
Ah, we have beaches
On the roof of the
here.
yellowish facade. Now, from Portugal, due to the way that it was constructed, it made boatsmen possible to cross oceans. Used by Columbus, the Santa Maria, that was a caravella. And it has a flat bottom. And so if you only have one day to visit Ghent, well, start here at the backyard of the castle, which has the longest stretch of restaurant, one next to it. So
The castle
now this
guys.
looks a bit Disney-esque because this was rebuilt. Money for 20 minutes, 1,000
Oh,
euros.
you can marry in the castle daw.
The cards must be crazy. But you know what the beauty is, and it's but a cow. That's a very strange Spanish Holstein dog. Ours are a bit smaller in size.
Ay matapos guys. So andito na tayo kung saan tayo nang galing. Unlike this site. So yun yung pinaka-famous na place, yung may mga umuupo. Here, maraming kumakain dyan. And we're going back there.
And so we're back for where we started. So as you can see, it's not a large city because we've seen best parts of Ghent in a very short period. But in a way, it's always a pleasure to show to others. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening. I wish you all the best.
Yeah, what did you say?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Maganda.
Maganda naman, no? Small city naman kasi. Hindi naman malaki. So, yan na natin yung vlog today, guys. Until next one, sa ating second, third na video. Paalam! Ang ganda doon. Tignan isa. Going to eat our dinner, guys. Dito. Yeah, we try here. Tayo na. Anong tawag dyan, babe? Yeah. Kasi kakain tayo ng pasta. Bapet pala dito, guys. So, we're gonna try it. Wear your, Kai? Make it sure na hindi ka madudumihan. Diba? So, get it. You can wear it. At least naka-sure ka na hindi ka madudumihan. Diba?
Yeah.
I will gonna wear also mine. Ako guys, sinuot ko to. Si Peter ayaw niya.
Ito na mag-judge.
Ay, baliktad eh. Saan? Ang mag-judge? Hindi masarap. Lugnis lang naman yung sa akin. Tsaka kay Kal, what is that?
Veiny, spaghetti so it's
Yeah, and Kyle, Peter is Holy Mary. Holy Mary daw. Strong drinks namin iced tea. So, yan lang. Tingnan natin mamaya kung saan yung church na to. Lalag ko na lang sa screen. And we are here in Pokeball. Yan ba? Sige. And that's it. And Kyle and Peter is there.